Redmi Pad Pro, ang budget tablet na meron ni Xiaomi. Ano nga ba meron dito? This has a Snapdragon 7S Gen 2, 10,000 mAh ang kanyang battery which is pretty huge. Meron siyang 12-inch na screen with a 2.5K display plus 120Hz of screen refresh rate. All of that for just around 14,000 pesos. Tara, pag-usapan natin. So itong Redmi Pad Pro na Wi-Fi edition na may 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage is priced at around 14,000 pesos, and ang kanyang better variant which is kalalabas lang si Redmi Pad Pro 5G, ang kanyang 8128 is priced at around 17,000 pesos. So I'll be posting the official link on the description box below para i-check out ninyo. Iwas tayo scam, so be sure to check the link on the description box. Mga verified ko na yan, guys. So one thing to love about itong tablet ni Redmi is okay ang kanyang display. I love the display, 2.5K ang kanyang display. It has a symmetrical na bezel dito. Not too thick, pero katamtaman lang siya. Now, one thing that you should love dito sa kanya is meron siya aluminum back, aluminum side, plus pwede ka pa mag-expand ng micro SD card dito. This is the Wi-Fi edition, by the way. And ang kanyang glass is protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Not bad. Probably one thing na napansin ko dito is may kunting kabigatan. This is at around mga 572 grams ang kabigatan nito ang tablet na ito, though malaki naman kanyang screen at 12 inches, so forgivable. And malaki rin ang kanyang battery at 10,000 mAh. Now, this tablet is being powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 2. It's pretty a good chip para ilagay sa mga tablet. It can perform lahat ng multitask ibigay mo sa kanya, kayang-kaya na, plus it can even game. And pretty decent naman score na nakuha ko dito sa Antutu benchmark at 533,000 points. Now, kung i-breakdown mo, this is the score that you should get. 791 ang kanyang loop score dito sa Wild Extreme, and it got a 97% na stability. Not bad ang kanyang thermals dito, and it throttled to 87% ang kanyang best performance. Ito naman score na nakuha ko dito sa Geekbench para sa kanyang CPU benchmarking plus sa kanyang GPU benchmarking. Now, sinabi ko sa inyo na this one has a big battery size. It is a 10,000 mAh of battery, which I think is one of the bigger ones sa mga tablet manufacturers. That's what I love dito kay Xiaomi kasi malaki ang battery, so it can last you beyond one whole day. So sinamahan pa siya ng 33 watts of fast charging brick, which is not bad. And charging this tablet from 0 to 100 takes you mga near 3 hours if hindi ako nagkakamali based sa aking test experience. On day-to-day usage, okay siya, matipid siya sa battery, and it can even last you for 2 whole days on normal usage. Now, nung sinalang ko naman siya sa PC Mark na battery stress test, na-surprise ako. Nakakuha ako ng 15 hours and 12 minutes na screen on time. This is tested under 50% brightness and 60 Hz na screen refresh rate. Makunat. Now, one thing to love about the tablet na ito is that this one has a 12-inch display. Malaki siya. It can give you a 2.5K display, but this is only just an IPS LCD. Huwag kayo madadala sa ibang tech vlogger na nagsasabi na AMOLED display ito dahil this is a IPS LCD based sa official spec sheet ng Xiaomi. Now, this coupled with the 120Hz of screen refresh rate plus Dolby Vision. And kanyang pinaka-peak na brightness is 600 nits. Now, if you're the type of person na mahilig mag-browse dito sa tablet, ma-enjoy mo talaga dito dahil sobrang smooth naman ang browsing experience. Hindi naman meaning na hindi siya AMOLED display, it's bad. This one, okay na okay siya. It gives me that good experience dito while I'm browsing, and this one also has a level 1 na Wi-Fi security level, so you can watch HD as well. And kung nanonood ka naman dito sa YouTube, I'm pretty sure na mag-e-enjoy ka dito dahil sobrang ganda na nga ng display. Not to the point na kasing ganda siya ng AMOLED display, but for its price point, goods na goods. Wala kang irereklamo dito. Plus, meron pa siyang 4 na speakers dito, 2 sa ibabaw and 2 sa ilalim. So tara, sound test lang tayo. Natutuwa lang ako sa song ni NSYNC yung Bye 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 na feature sa Deadpool, no? Kaya madalas ko siya ginagamit dito. Nakakatuwa lang siya. Very nostalgic. And I would say na pretty loud ang kanya speakers dito. So I'm pretty sure na mag-i-enjoy ka sa music tripping or even watching video plus playing games. Now, speaking of playing games, I was able to play 2 games dito, Call of Duty Mobile and Farlight 84. Both sinet ko sa highest graphical settings. Si Call of Duty Mobile, wala ka maging problema dito. Put the graphics, I'm pretty sure na yung controls is good as long as you can game on a tablet. If you cannot game on a tablet, you might as well buy something like a control pad which can give you a better experience. Meron mga addict na naglalaro using 8 fingers, 6 fingers, di natin kaya yun, no? Kasi ibang level na yun. The touch response is good, the sounds is good, plus the graphics is pretty okay. Kapag dito sa Farlight 84, nung unang sinagad ko siya sa kanang best graphical settings sa kaya, pero doon ko na feel medyo lag, medyo nagpa-frame drop siya. So binaba ko siya sa balance, so kanang recommended. That one gave me a better experience. Though medyo sacrifice yung konti sa kanang graphics, but at the end of the day, I would say na mas better, mas smoother ang gameplay. So it translates into wins. So after playing for 30 minutes, nag-enjoy ako, and pinaka-maidid na achieve niya is around mga 44 degrees Celsius. So guys, pag-uusapan natin right now ang camera dito sa tablet na ito. It starts with a 8MP na main camera sensor, and it can shoot you up to 1080p and 30fps. And ang kanyang harap is also 8MP na sensor which can also shoot you up to 1080p and 30fps. Now for testing purpose, I'm not really a fan of using a big tablet to take photos outdoor, but for the sake of mapakita ko sa inyo kanyang quality, here goes. So if you're looking at some of this outdoor shot, I would say okay siya. Not so bad, but hindi naman siya sobrang good o sobrang pop out. Unlike yung mga kuha ng Xiaomi Pad 6, Xiaomi Pad 6 Pro, those are way better. But this one I can say na it's just enough. Katamtaman lang ang mga shots na nakuha ko dito. And taking some tall building shot, it's just okay. Pwede mo nang i-post sa Instagram. And if you're the type of person na mahilig sa indoors, it was able to perform at some extent. And taking some food shot is quite good, not so bad. So nung nilaro ko naman kanyang zooming capability, this is a normal shot. 2 times, 4 times, and 5 times. So after 5 times, okay pa naman. Nababasa ko pa naman everything on this menu board. Now, checking some selfie shot, I would say okay. Nothing really special sa mga shots ko, be it sa indoor, be it sa outdoor, okay lang. Clear naman siya sa outdoor, pero pagdating sa indoor, mapapansin mo talaga nag-soften na siya dito. Now, if you're using the front-facing camera while walking, mapapansin mo medyo jittery siya. Hindi siya yung sobrang garapal na shake ha, and probably you might not be using your front-facing camera while walking dito sa tablet na ito. Now, if you're using the rear camera, medyo parang pansin ko mas jittery pa nga siya kaysa sa front-facing camera. Resolution is okay, not so bad, but medyo nakakahilo ng dalaga nga na pag-shake. Now, since madalas mong gagamitin tong tablet ito for conferencing, for online learning, pakita ko lang sa inyo ang capability nito on indoor na well-lit dito sa loob ng aking studio. So, here goes. So guys, right now, gamit natin ang Redmi Pad Pro, recording at 1080p and 30fps using just my ordinary tablet stand dito sa aking table. I would say the quality is not so bad. And basta magandang ilaw, you get a good, decent na kahit live streaming, pwede dito sa tablet na ito. Yung audio is using the default microphone, so comment on the comment section below. So guys, ano masasabi niyo dito sa Redmi Pad Pro? Priced at around 14,000 pesos. Is it the right tablet para sa inyo? Now, I would say na it's a pretty decent tablet with a good na processor. Yung camera is just average. It can give you some average gaming experience as well. The sounds is pretty good and the battery is pretty cool nut. So if you're going back to school and looking for a tablet, I think this is a good bet, si Redmi Pad Pro. So if you're interested to know kung saan na pwede ito mabili, link on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends, and if you sub to this channel, it's definitely awesome. I'll see you in my next one. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito, and for one of my popular uploads, click here.